Hi guys, it's me, Babs Graphics from Sibukot, Marinso. Ito guys yung tarpaulin na layout ko sa Sunshine Vehicle Center. And guys, PSD file, Photoshop. And guys, yung pagkatotoong layout to print. And guys, vector, yan. July 22, 24, Bayanihan Blilit 2024. Sunshine, guys, space diyan, nagagalaw yan. Yung ating guys, image size 2 feet by 3 feet. Yan guys, malinaw yan guys. At dako naman tayo sa actual print ng Sunshine Vehicle Center, Fabricante Sibukot Camarines. Yan guys, yung actual print. Salamat po sa tiwala sa Babs Graphics. Mag-follow na at mag-subscribe. Oh yes!